Okay. Welcome to Merritt Ford's used inventory. This one just arrived. It's a 2022 Ford Explorer Timberline edition, kind of an off-road edition. It's a little bit higher, more aggressive tires. It's got some extra features on it. This one is black, 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine with a 10-speed transmission. And there's a bug deflector on this one. Unique Cypress colored interior and heated seats in the front, heated in the rear, and heated steering wheel, air tilt cruise, windows locks. It's got navigation, FordPass. It's got the full panoramic sunroof, full glass roof, bucket seats in the back seat, and it's a 6-passenger. Full captain's chairs in the back with the armrests. They will recline. They also slide back and forth. Give you more room. And then third row folds down. And of course, power hatch. So you can either haul people or you can fold the rear seats down. And it's also got a hitch on it, built into it. Only 99,000 kilometers on this one. Come down to Merritt Ford today and test drive it.